iPhone 16 Pro. I got it in natural titanium. I'm upgrading from my iPhone 13 over to the iPhone 16. I had this phone for 3 years now, and the only reason I'm upgrading is because my work provided me this new phone, or else I wouldn't have upgraded at all. So we're gonna do setup, setting the phone up, then we're gonna do like a testing based off the camera quality on photo and video, and then we'll see how iOS 18 looks. And we'll also do like a mini DIY for the phone case. So let's get unboxing. Now, let's see what's in the box. Well, nothing much has really changed. You'll find, well, the lovely iPhone 16 Pro. Oh my god, it's so pretty! The USB-C to USB-C cable, we can thank the European Union for that. So it comes with one charger, and this is the new fancy charger with like the felt wrapping of the wire. In fact, iPhone changed to USB-C rather than their old lightning bolt because of European sustainability, and iPhone/Apple is the only one that still uses lightning bolt, and everyone else, all the Androids, use USB-C. So that's a fun fact. Wait, this is definitely new. The box is a lot thinner than the one before. Oh, this is just the menu. Basically telling you that you no longer have a SIM card. It's an eSIM. As someone who travels a lot, that's something really important to me. I really do not like having the ability of not having to take my SIM card in and out all the time, using the back of my earring to like put to take the little disc out. So I like that Apple finally changed that. And here is the phone. She's so pretty. And nothing else has really changed. No brick charger, and even there's no Apple sticker anymore. Recession core. We're gonna go ahead and set up the phone now, and on first impression, the 16 feels a lot lighter than the 13, even though there's only a 13-gram difference. This difference is likely because of the titanium material the 16 is made out of versus the 13 being made out of stainless steel. The titanium material gives the iPhone 16 that sleek matte finish and also doubles as a better protection against drops. Two other design differences is that there's a camera button, and honestly I think that's a useless design feature because I was really content with using the volume button, and if anything I didn't use the volume button to take photos, so I don't think I'll be using this new camera button anyways. But there's a new feature which is really cool, which is the action button. It's a customizable feature replacing your traditional mute switch, and it offers a more versatile way to interact with your phone and adds convenience. I am gonna be putting Google Maps for my shortcut because that's probably one of my most used apps. And underneath the shell lies its A18 Pro chip. So in baby language, it means it's super fast and has crazy battery life efficiency. And I tested the battery life and it's crazy. I used it the other day for a hotspot for 3 hours and the percentage only dropped by 9%. My iPhone 13 could never do that. So it's definitely an upgrade from my 13. Shut up, it's so cute. Look at them at the bottom. Oh my god, okay, I am so happy with this. You can see that there's heart, there's music, and there's Wi-Fi. So cool. Now we're going to decorate our phone case. Decorate it. Oh my god, this is so stinking cute. Since it is MagSafe, it's probably better flat stickers around center area, and we can have like the 3D pop-up ones at the top here, the bottoms. So cute. Go with this. Look, they're friends. speakers are from Asia when this thing, it says good smell. Like, that's so random. And one final thing that I really like having on my phones is this little locket kind of thing. This is a keychain that you attach to the bottom of your phone, and that way you can loop a chain around it. Let me go find mine. Give me a second. So I have an extra one here, and all you gotta do is put it at the back. So loop it through the phone case, and then snap your phone case back in. Snap it, please. Voila, bam. And then get this like chain, as keychain ring around it. All you have to do is loop it in so it snaps, and boom. You can carry this around all day, so you don't have to go digging for it in your bag. This is like one of my biggest hacks. Like, you may look like an auntie walking down the street. There are cute versions of these. I got a pink one so it matches my outfits. And if you're a big biker like me, and if you want your Apple Maps to be easily accessible, boom, it's right here. This is one of my favorite accessories for my phone. Okay, ladies, let's talk about the camera, because you know that's what we're all here for, and we are upping our Instagram game with this new camera for 2025, because this is the biggest difference in the two phones that I see. So the iPhone 16 is 48 megapixels versus the iPhone 13 at 12 megapixels. Dude, that's a significant resolution boost. The highest zoom goes to 5x rather than 3x. However, the selfie mode does remain the same at 12 megapixels, but the 16 Pro does have autofocus so that you can take better selfies. So overall, the iPhone 16 versus the iPhone 13, there's definitely a slight difference between functions of the phone in terms of how it looks like. Basically the same. They're like identical twins, you know, look alike, but slight features are a little different. If you are looking to upgrade your camera, I would definitely go for the iPhone 16. If camera is not the biggest deal in the world, then I would just keep your 13 because there's not that big of a difference. But let me know if you're planning on upgrading to your 13, and also let me know any cool features or functions that you really like using on your iPhone 16 so that we can all share and learn in the comment section. Thank you so much for unboxing the iPhone 16 with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!